Hi YouTube, it's Josh. Today I was going to show you how to make the cat's ass. It's a easy 1 cup, 1 person alcohol stove that is basically for what I said, 1 cup of water, or you could use it as a simmer stove when your main stove goes down. And all you need to build this is some heavy-duty aluminum foil and some cat litter. And the cheap kind will work fine. To begin, all you have to do is dump your cat litter on. It's your aluminum foil. I do it in like one corner because it makes the folding go a little easier. Then when you get to the edges, double fold them. After you folded it over once, fold it over again. Lay kind of flat. This is what you end up with. And I wanted to show you guys here. Weighs 2/3 of an ounce exactly. Now, you want to make a burner hole for this, and for that, all you want to do is simply make an X about 3/4 of an inch each way. And in a smaller version of this, it held 1/4 of an ounce alcohol and burnt for about 10 minutes. This one is slightly larger. So I'm going to just actually try this small syringe filled up first in there. This takes a second to fill, because you have to wait for the cat litter to absorb the alcohol. This one's a little larger, so it's going to take a little more. Alright now, and my purpose-built stand that I built just for this stove. It's just a piece of sardine can bottom. Cut it out, put 3 holes through it. Light this and let you guys see it. There you see it. Takes a second to get going. There you go. Just the light's a little bright in here. As you can see, it's going quite nicely now. And this little stand is perfect for a small cup like this. It'll sit right on there. A little aluminum foil windscreen, you're good to go. Now, another good thing about this stove idea here is when you're done burning it, all you'd have to do is put a piece of tape over the hole. You can carry it partially full, or let it burn out and just do that so you don't lose your cat litter. I mean, it weighs almost nothing. You drop it off a cliff, step on it, crinkle it up, it's not going to hurt it. And even if it does, they were so cheap to build, you don't have to worry about it.